Your endless search for the ideal student housing destination ends here. Introducing Scala Street, an exceptional haven which is more than just a place to stay. It's a gateway to a perfect life in London. Nestled in the heart of Fitzrovia, this stunning abode offers a fine selection of 1- and 2-bed private apartments to choose from. Each unit here welcomes you to a private bedroom featuring a snug bed, a flat-screen HDTV, study station, super-fast Wi-Fi, along with a comfy sofa and fully equipped shared kitchen. Bid farewell to daily chores with included housekeeping and laundry services, and pocket those utility bill savings. They're all covered in your rent. And when it's time to head to the uni, you're a short stroll away from both University of London and University College London. Surrounded by restaurants, bars, recreational centers, and boutiques, feel quite literally at the heart of the action. Plus, with Regent's Park being close by, say hello to year-long festivities. And on weekends, explore the liveliness of the city by hopping on the London subway. Ready to dive into London life? Don't wait a moment longer. Head to amberstudent.com now and make Scala Street your London home sweet home.